Mweyakwa gwanji pachinayi pa 19 November chaka chake ndi cha 2020. Kulikonse kumene mulika mukuonera pa makanema anu Times Television mwachidule TTV takulandirani. Amene maonera pa dziko lonse lapansi kudzera pa tsamba lathu la Facebook Times 360 Malawi nanunso takulandirani. Ena kumvera program yomweyi ndithu pa mawayilesi awo Times Radio nanunso takulandirani. Ndili ndi mkonzi wakuno ku Times, mkonzi wamkulu amene editor in chief wa Times Group George Kasakula. Timakhali mozi pachinayi. Ndakulandira George.
No, tathokoza kwambiri Wanda.
Mbali yakuno muli ndine ndevu zamwaye Wanda Msisia. George lero tinene apa kuti program yathu mwina ikhoza kuthera even malere chifukwa msogoleri wa dziko lino.
Yes.
Dr. Lazarus Makathe Chakwera.
Yes.
Akhala nawo pamwambo opereka ma certificate, ma diploma komanso ma degree.
Yes.
Kwa nyamata a Lilongwe University of Agriculture and Natural Resources.
Yes.
Luwana.
Okay.
Komweso akhala kunkhazikisa kukhala ngati chancellor wa university.
Yes, that's right.
And mwina tikambira naso nkhani imene. Komano kuyamba ndi nkhani yathu timafuna tiyambe ndi nkhani imene ili mkamwa mwanthu.
Yes.
Yakhala ili mkamwa mwanthu kuyambira wiki yatha.
Yes.
Sidadulepo tsiku yayi.
Yes.
Siku nalilonse kumakhala ndi ma development.
Yes.
Bushiri.
Chabwino.
Shepherd Bushiri komanso akazawo amere.
Yes.
Adathawa ku South Africa ali pa belo.
Yes.
Chifukwa cha zinthu zimene amaunika kuti sizidali zowakomera komanso moyo wawo
udali chawo.
Yes.
Komanso sakanapeza chilungamo chenicheni mukukamba kwawo
akutero ndi.
Yes.
Kufika kuno ndithu kudabwera warrant of arrest kuchokera ku Interpol.
Yes.
Zimene zapangisa kuti apolisi amdziko muno polemekeza malamulo apa dziko lapansi awagwire.
Chabwino.
Tukamba pano ali manja mwa apolisi agona ku polisi zulo latali.
Yes.
Lero palizo kuti atenge belo. Funa ukapempha belo.
Yes.
Kodi zuyenda bwanji nkhani za Bushiri George?
Monga mene onena poyamba ndi nkhani zonena kuti zikuchitika di fast. It's a running story. Ndipo yapanga assume international stature kuti I've seen a couple of foreign journalists mamaka based in South Africa abwera kunoko uzatsatira nkhani imeneyi. If ngati Malawi, Bushiri is just a citizen. Amene 2011 pita South Africa ukambisa mpingo wake kumeneko. Ukambika kuno adambira ku Zuzu kera ku Mulilongwe kera kupita ku South Africa. Ife ndifongoona how he has risen, how he has taken South Africa by storm over these years. Timaona so kuti even stage yake kakhalidwe kake kakupita patsogolo. Akukwera ndege za private unaona kuti ndi ndege I own planes. Akupita maiko sana ngati ku Sudani, South Sudan mpaka no yara carpet. Kenako tinadzaona kuti probably 40 makobiri watsopano analina wambiri, he became flash ndiye kenako attention ya authorities. He took South Africa by storm. Ni munthu mmodzi amene mwina amati crossover kuti tumaliza chaka pa 31 December upita 1 January chaka chinacho amadzaza FNB Stadium. Imene South Africa stadium yakulu kwambiri South Africa. Koma amadzaza, it means kuti anali mchukoka. Whatever he was doing, whatever magic wand he was waving as regards what he was doing as a prophet, he claimed to be a prophet as a pastor. I think it was sticking, and some South Africans were indeed taken up by him. Today we have seen kuti tinangova kuti ali ni milandu ambomuchita milandu money laundering akusecha ndege yake alanda ndege yake amanga court case for the past 4 years. Then today 2 weeks ago 3 weeks ago we heard kuti amangaso milandu yake yomwe ya fraud and money laundering. Yes. Then on Sunday, I think it was on Saturday, news filtered through kuti yayi Bushiri ndi maya kwawo ali kuno. Wadzateka bwanji poti umene uja analipa belo deudi atawa afika kuno, and then the rest is history. So it's an interesting thing. It's an interesting thing. It involves the relationship ya Malawi and South Africa. I'm seeing a bit of bullying from South Africa, bullying Malawi, because at the end of the day, he's a Malawian citizen.
Yes.
Bushiri is a Malawian citizen. So whatever way he entered the country, if I go abroad and then kumene kundataya zoendera zanga or whatever, nikafika pa border, I have to prove myself kuti I'm Malawian. Ndine Malawi, kungoti nangotaya zoendera zanga. Ndiye kuti tsanza umboni nawo watukwa kuti ine ndine kuti nimachokera kuti azanga ndi akuti mkuzambira foni wala abwere azandipasa umboni. I mean, they have no choice koma ndilowetsa mdziko muno. So I think as a country as Malawi, Bushiri sana lawe chichonse kunoko alibe mlandu ndumene akuwaimba ku South Africa. So perhaps South Africa they should understand kuti Malawi had no choice but to allow him to come. This is his own country. He's a citizen. Nobody has the right to take away his citizenship of Malawi. He was born here. He can mention a village where he was born. His parents are here. So he's a true Malawi citizen, 100%, no less, no more. Therefore, that intimidation in South Africa, and even the way the media, I'm afraid to say, even the way the media has covered the issue, it's like they want to bully Malawi. Some even suggesting probably you should have arrested him on arrival. You should have charged him something that Malawi can do.
Zimene zozo George. Yes. Wajani ukuona maonedwe awo kuti pali maiko ena mazona ngati onda akulu maiko ena ndang'ono indunena izi kuti ukuona so kuti a president zimachitika izi a president ali ku South Africa.
That's the other angle.
Kufika kumene kuja kupezeka kuti panali nkhani zina zake zimene sakufotokoza bwino mpaka pana ku South Africa akuti security kanyamulidwe kanthu zimeenda nkhani zimene nakuganiza kuti amaganizira ngati president athu akukhuzidwa ndi za
exactly nkhani si zimene amakamba zonena kuti kapena waterproof aratabo airport nkhani ndiya kuti the lack of respect. The very thought of saying a president adziko la Malawi, a sovereign nation, an independent nation, could play a part kuti atenge munthu amene akuimbirwa mlandu ku South Africa was to me totally nonsensical. It's full of disrespect. Ndikuderera kuti Malawi ndi chani. That's why you could see kuti even amenanena president pa Tuareg they were searched more pitira muyeso. I'm told they were even using sniffer dogs on the plane. Kuti aonenga kuti ndegemena awera president mukozokhala Bushiri. I think ndichipongwe ndikuderera. I think now they have realized kuti the bullying, the chipongwe, the what cannot work because they have been told clearly. Minister of Information Gospel Kozako has told them clearly. Look, kuno kuli malamulo. Extradition ya munthu imaendera malamulo. Suti bomalinga ngopita ku Bushiri nummanga vingwe numponya ndege basi bila South Africa kuime mlandu. No, zeno endera malamulo. Iyeso ngati Bushiri ali ni ufulu. Maufulu wose amene Amalawi dosi makhala nawo o fair trial, opita ku court, rule of law, opanga argue case yake kuti sabito South Africa ine sinifunika ndipita akanizuza. He has that right. And at the end of the day, it's the court that will say aboma mukuti chani. He is saying chakuti. Odi has the South African government given you a guarantee kudaka under a fair trial? Because even the thing that they are talking about matrite kama chani sadik treat zimanena kuti munthu boma lako lifunika likhale sure kuti akubereka how and you be safe. Yes. Now Bushiri is saying I'm not safe in South Africa.
Yes.
Munthu khawudi suli safe. Sumati ga ulifuti yo ndey bwera akutibwe nayo ndempamene uthawe umathala ukuona kuti yes munthu winali yese in the face of danger. There are two options that you can do. It's either you fight the danger or it's what they call fight or flight.
Yes. You
either fight it or you run away.
Yes.
So Bushiri probably you in South Africa Cindy winner it's better to run away. It's obviously it's illegal by the South African laws. We get that. But he's here. He's managed to run away. South Africa are the ones that should blame themselves. How did they let him off? They claim to be rich. They claim to be mabodazawa ampavu technology. They can monitor movements or whatever. How is that Bushiri has run away?
Kani yodu yafika yaikulu kwambiri George Modi Zulu akwapanga interview ala maposa amafusa nditu olemba nkhani zathu kumeneko kuti kodi Bushiri wadathawa bwanji sana liyankhe bwino we adangolizemba koma adadza afusa kuti kodi zimene zachitikazi mitu ina isuntha kuti kukhala kupanga zilango kwa anthu ena.
Yes,
he actually said yes chifukwa choti zaonesa kuti nzotheka kuti munthu akhoza kudusa maboda awo amene amachemerera awo technology awoyo nkumafunano kumblemano kumene wakafikira kuti kumene kwafika bwanji mamoda ayang'ane iwo kuti
kwa bwanji. Exactly. So at the end of the day it's not the problem of Malawi is South Africa amene Bushiri amata unless they have evidence that he was assisted by government, something that cannot happen, something that is disrespectful to even imagine a president of the Republic of Malawi he can any suspected criminal.
Kodi zimezi zinapangisabe kadenti pa triple fa triple maoneka kuti idaenda bwino kwambiri konseko.
At the end of the day,
kumaliza kwake kuja.
Yes, at the end of the day, the triple was like zose zimene amakachita sabwino nawaita president fell off because panopa nkhani near Bushiri. I don't think there will be, I mean, how ministers like you are searching and told Gawenga. A minister of a country should be respected because that's why I call them honorable and what have you.
Diplomatic passport
and exactly
diplomatic
all those things didn't work all because of Prophet Bushiri, who they themselves didn't manage to catch as he was trying to run away. He was on the bail. He was given bail conditions. Probably his movements were limited. How is it that he was able to evade all those things? It's because of their own problem. So at the end of the day, this is not a problem of Malawi. It is a problem of South Africa. And to us, it's not even a big issue. It's unfortunate that we are spending time every day, talking about Bushiri. It's not even a big issue because there are issues umana zono tizikambirana. Kuli AIP anthu akhalapanzere masiku atatu masiku 4 ulikira AIP. Nzofuna tizikambirana tiziruza boma kuti kunozavuta. What are we doing instead? We are concentrating on Bushiri.
It's not a big issue.
Why should it be a big issue?
Nangasi ya bwesano maiko awiri amene akuonera nano.
It shouldn't even be the case because it's not even about the relationship ya South Africa and Malawi. This is
kwa meza fika hapa. Sisi kupita no kumene koko ukamaona zimene zikuchita South Africa.
Not at all.
If Malawi could be
every day anthu amatawa maiko mwina opita maiko mwina. That's why kuli Interpol amapanga spends every day. Zimakhankanyirika every day. These Interpol things that you are talking about zimaveka. Ushujiri wako kupatawa okupene kokobera magamoto anthu aba magalimoto anthu bavaza magamoto zili kumeneko muzigwire. They are always doing this police. Kutukafuza police. They are doing all this. But this one, Kagaruti is a special thing.
But a man of his magnitude, George.
Yes.
Here is a man, Uzazi's FNB Stadium.
Yes.
Here is a man that is flying his own jets.
Yes.
Here is a man that Congo Guido of South Africa, Chochan.
Yes.
Unsatira.
Yes.
Are you sure? The
question you must ask yourself is why should such a man, the whole South Africa is up in arms because of Prophet Bushiri? Because if you see the way we handle Prophet Bushiri in Malawi, I don't think it would be is a private citizen. He's a private citizen. He can do whatever he wants to do. Bushiri doesn't get paid by our tax. So why should we bother about Bushiri? Whatever he's doing in South Africa, that's his own personal issues as a prophet. He was filling up obviously we're happy. It's like a player what one premiership and then Agushina as a Malawi will feel good. But I don't think you could Africa but now Dedi Kangaroo this busy one beating. I think at the end of the day, it's them, the South Africans, that are busy with Bushiri for whatever reason. And you tend to wonder, what is this hatred? Apart from the crimes that they are accusing him, this hatred that even before the courts pronounce him guilty, they are calling him a criminal. The whole country, even the president, should get involved because of Bushiri. If he is a fugitive, how many fugitives have run away from justice in South Africa? So many of them.
But the fact Yehudi is drawing that attention, is it not an indication? It is safe. I think he
a celebrity.
Yes,
so we are talking about a celebrity. We are talking about a celebrity. Probably because in Malawi, the idea of celebrification of people is not as high as probably in South Africa and yes. In the West. Here, I think we are still basic. We have serious problems that we want to deal with. So probably we don't care about this issues of celebrity. This one is a celebrity, is a musician, is what, then we should be busy with them. I think we are still trying to sort out the bigger problem. Corruption, regionalism, governance, democracy, probably because we have spent so much time on that. That's why I'm not surprised that the democracy had to once in a while to second oh wow, it says wow, is that what they've done in Malawi? It's because we are busy with sorting out our country. So things like Bushiri, it's not busy. But here we are, South Africa, now it's an international story, so we are forced to talk about it. Today, I'll be court Zulu mama wa polisi uyamba kuja kwa Zulu siku anapita nyumba kwake osampeza then Zulu wazipereka the justice system is taking place, the process is taking place. We only be happy with the system is taking place. But South Africa should leave us alone to deal with this issue the way we know. Trandira warrant of police and warrant of arrest Interpol. They have acted on it because I think we are obliged to do that. If you I remember Mrs. Jantonia, for example,
yes.
The convict for murder of a girl in prison, it was because South Africa cooperated. But it took not less than 3 years. It took a number of years.
Yeah,
in fact, people even forgot. Guys, but you were patient. So also they should be patient. Our judicial system, our judiciary should be respected to handle this case. Apply. More importantly, he's a citizen of Malawi. So he enjoys all the rights that you and me. Yeah.
Pali malamulo amene amaina kusatidwa mbele fotokozeramo palibe shortcut palibe kupupuluma zimene zende choncho komano Malawi enaso kumaikapo maganizo awo so we have Malawians giving their opinion ena uyayi mungwira amene mumbwezere kumene kwena iyayi osabweza ni Malawi zimene zizi ndizomwe zikuchitikazi we are allowed to be talking like that where everybody else has got an opinion.
We are allowed to talk about it. Ndifa Malawi timavumelero lwakula chicho semedu funa zili mposition mwatu zilo naona ulo lima press conference kayankweza nambana zawo apanga press conference iya yasapite enaso iya apite atu akamagamba mwakuti but at the end of the day zosezitika kamba there's rule of law. And that rule of law will have to be respected. People can say, oh, ndufuna chakuti, but there's rule of law. We don't sort out our conflicts through kaya umenyana, through kaya ukanga reproducing things. No, palikale malamulo. Ne malamulo asasi. Chimenenga pembe chauri ya South Africa should respect malamulo. Malamulo atu. Menezi makala extradition yo pali malamulo ake. Interpol yo pali malamulo ake. Nzimena police ayamba. They should be grateful. Kuti system kuno sinangokhala because the police would have chosen to say tayani warrant ya Interpol muthu wathu tisapange zimene zo ukanti send
nzoti akhoza kusankha
ubanga they can choose to not to follow the rule of law. They can choose that police but the system has said no. Bushiri, I emphasize, Bushiri is a bona fide citizen of Malawi. Therefore his rights to legal representation, his lawyers have the right to make all sorts of argument against him going to South Africa. South Africa must respect that. If a judge says, yes, I agree with you, the lawyers of Bushiri, he's not going to South Africa, then South Africa must respect that. There's nothing they can do about it. Malawi is a sovereign nation. Yes.
Kodi kachipepeso kadachokera ku South Africa kaja kopepesa zimene zidachitika ndi ndege ya president komanso president yo ndimene Malawi inavomerezera kamene kaja kogwira mtima menga cha
no sikogwira mtima and kamene kaja amangopepesa because they discovered kuti ndege mulibedi Bushiri so it was like a first saver. Reaction yakunoko, I'm not happy with that is we should have other people timaona zimene zimachitika pakaulipa diplomatic party pakatipa the way the president was treated of South Africa was wrong. Was wrong and disrespectful. So we should have done more by probably with a High Commission of South Africa, with a Foreign Affairs Minister, expressing displeasure at what happened. Then he should have sent that way to his own government or her own government. I'm not sure whether it's a lady or is a man, but I know all I know is we have a High Commission here with South Africa. We should have done more. That's what everybody does. I'm going to Zigolina, sin and the same with Zigolina.
Matama kutazitipanga bechipongo chambiri.
No, but
we are not able to stand up and say this is wrong.
No,
we will not allow you to treat us as
apart from that, the Foreign Affairs Ministry did not do much by summoning the word is summoning. Yes. By summoning the South African High Commission to express this displeasure at how the president was treated. I've seen, for example, Major Minister Gospel Gazako has told them in the face, good look, you've got to respect Malawi.
Yes.
We've got to do this our own way. We are not a banana republic. We are not a jungle republic. We have laws. We have rule of law. Our judiciary is top notch. They are going to deal with this. So inuyo kumeneko mungo krape. Musabati fuza fuzo wabaji kumeneko. Olinyo wabaji simna mange. Ilu kono koro wabaji. How can you be asking us kono wabaji? Pamile kono kwao. Mwana ori gawenga achimu bina wake. Yes. Palimao sundoro mawo ndiri nukuzu ndukamba zapo chini. Palimao wanona kuti chiziru chini mwini wake. I'm not saying you would. I'm not suggesting.
No, I know. It's a saying.
Yes, exactly. Yes. So no matter what you can do, it's not like as a country we can say, oh, next planning back. We cannot do that because we as the minister of saying, it's not common sense. It's the law.
Yes.
This is a country of laws, and laws must be respected. The judiciary must be respected to deal with this matter.
Chabwino tipite ku break George tikachoka kumene kuti tipitirize ndi nkhani zina.
Old Mutual 3 Anchors Season 2 is here. Get essential information about investment, insurance, savings, and personal money management from a trusted financial expert. We also get to hear feedback from our valued customers. Join Elida Soko
and Faith Musa on Tuesday from 8:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. on Times TV, and on Wednesday from 7:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. on Times Radio, and stand a chance of winning amazing prizes.
3 Anchors Season 2, proudly brought to you by Old Mutual.
It's about time.
Tikulandireni ku gawo la chiwiri la kwa Gwanji pachinayi 19 November 2020 mongo kumbusana nthawi ina iliyonse tikhati kuwolokera ku Lilongwe ku Bingu International Conference Center kumene kuli graduation ya Lilongwe University of Agriculture and Natural Resources Luana kumenenso akhale a President Lazarus Chakwera akhala kupereka ma certificate, ma diploma komanso ma degree kwa anyamata ndi asungwana amene amaliza maphunziro awo akhaso akuakhazikisa iwo okhala ngati chancellor wa Luana University. George, tufunaso tikambe nkhani ina tisanapite ya Luanayi. Malawi National Examination Board Manebo.
Yes.
Ada imisa maiso chifukwa choti anabedwa maiso.
Exactly.
Maiso kuti aende maina okhala 4 billion.
Yes.
4 billion inaita lo akali pale paja kuimisa maiso amenewa kutanthauza kuti akonzenso maiso ena pafunikaso 4 billion ina.
Yes.
Zulo adali ndi msonkhano ndi olemba nkhani kumene amauza kuti akhwimisa chitetezo.
Yes.
Afuna kuitanisa chitetezo kuchokera madera ena kuti maiso asamaberedwe kupita kusogolo.
Yes.
Kodi ndio ndipo yamba tine kuti chitetezo mwina sadali nacho serious kwambiri nkhani ikubwera bwanji azindikira liti.
No, clearly I mean stingakhepa tingabwere pano pa TV wanda kumene kuti chitetezo chinali bwino. Fika kali chitetezo chinali bwino sibwezi maso pagaliki. So clearly chitetezo chinali bwino ku Manebo. The fact that aganza kuti apeze external kind of arrangement aona yo abangasesi, we believe abangasesi aona kuti zikozo endeyo. Look, this is a mess. No matter how you want to talk about it, this is a mess. When you have an exam, a national exam, yoti ipangeliki, it means it's a mess. You can quote it in whatever
you can
colors,
spin it the way you want.
The way you want it, but it won't change the fact that this is it won't wash. Don't change the fact that this is a mess. It's a mess. My social pangaliki integrity my so imenoka yabu 100%, so that mukamana kuti uyu wakoza uyu walepera. Then the key principle in an exam is that everything must be equal. All the conditions must be equal. The moment you say our onagale maiso, our son one, it means binaza nemba maiso, they already asianagale, we not never had. Therefore integrity palibe. So it was a good decision to cancel the exams, but I think this now affords us, because we don't repeat. We don't want to repeat it come January, then he as a rule so much. How long are we going to be doing those things? So I believe the acting administration Kumanebu, they removed the whole management.
Yes.
About 7 people,
yes,
including the executive director, General Chunda. Yes. They removed. So I know there's a completely new setup Kumanebu, and obviously they are trying their best to make sure that this time is tightened. They don't have much time. This is November second half of November actually.
Yes.
December, January, my swalem. I think Zakani Christmas, New Year, busy. So it's important. It's important to change everything, to look at everything, to hold everything, to turn everything upside down, to say how to do things, to change the systems, to make sure we did as it was as a devil.
So this is a wake-up call to Manebu. Komanso mwina mabungo ena.
Yes.
Omabanga zintu mwachizolo wezi.
Exactly.
Basi zintu zimala kuika nkumona ngati kuti zizi zikozea zoka.
No, dziko lino lifunika ditu a dosage of shock therapy. Yes.
Ni mawerenga mu Malawi News.
Yes.
Therapy.
Yes. It needs shock therapy. The way the other day Vice President Magamba kanya mindset change. Kani meje runja iguru. Suti kapena kuti ingakukhalira kuti kale ya lecture, kapena kale ya Vice President. Meje linkani ya iguru because it's true. There's a lot of lethargy muboma, bureaucracy, and the way they do things. Even the president has said it. Kuti mmana kuti nimenendo mapangira kuboma. Kuma menendo mapangira hasn't worked. Look what is happening. Where are the results of menendo mapangira? We need to change. We need to turn things upside down. You need everything to hold and have a completely new direction of doing things everywhere. Antu akafika office mindset yawo amatenga office ija not kuti agire ntchito achite produce china chake probably kongofuna kuti allowance or every time they are talking of allowance, they are talking of kuti tipite kuti nanga allowance ngati kozopeza bwaje allowance nili manaiti 3 nili manaiti 4 angoni pasana iti iwiri pamenene kumene kumafuna ngakhale manaiti 3 natenga manaiti zosathandiza
kanga tikokangobako
ndalama. Not the work. The work must come first. The nights
manaiti ndi nkhani yaikulu makampani abo mete
kwambiri palibe suchi chikuchira mpana manaiti
chifukwa chani amalandira yokagonera
timakamba mindset
allowance amakambidwa aja kuti nchitidwe umangofuna pali ponse allowance.
Yes, ni mindset yonena kuti tubwera uchito uzapanga manaiti not uzagira ntchito yonena kuti ithandize dziko. It's to productivity. Kodi lero minutes kuli zita first 5 napanga chani machiro yanga. Ni ntchito yanga, this is my job description. These are my KPIs. Key performance indicators. What have I done to move with them today? You find amango kala, amango ina town, amango meeting aboards. Very few people are working in government. Yet look what the bill we are look at the number of civil servants in the government. I'm bidding that collect the salary at the end of the month. What they do since morning. So I think performing mindset change. Otherwise, because people want to do things as usual, business as usual. It must not be business as usual.
Chabwino. Kusuntha hapo pamene George timalize ndi nkhani yathu imene tikufuna tikambepo za mwambo umene a president akhale akupereka ma certificate, ma diploma komanso ma degree kwa anyamata ndi asungwana amene amaliza maphunziro awo ku Lilongwe University of Agriculture and Natural Resources.
Yes.
Iwo walilosa akhazikisa kukhala chancellor.
Yes.
Ndeno anthu akuti iwo nthawi ya campaign komanso atangoti apambana abala amalankhula ndithu ku inauguration komanso adalankhulaso ndithu ku jeno ku Kolumbira.
Yes.
Kuti zina mwa zinthu zimene wafuna kuthana nazo ndi mphamvu zimene ma president amakhala nazo kuphatikizapo kumakhala ma chancellor zimene ndi zokhala ngati za nsanguluso ceremonial chabe.
Yes.
Kodi ma investor akamachuluka.
Yes.
Kodi president akhala chancellor ma investor ngati tukamba pano ma public investors alipo follow.
Yes.
Pali wanayo
koma ena akuchulikabe kuti azichiti azimangidwa
azi ena so komanso azichokako.
Kwa
kuyunima akoso kuli ndithu mpekesa
zichuluka. Chanko ikalabayo Luwana was Buddha College of Agriculture was part of the University of Malawi.
Yes.
Yabangidwa dilingi libayoka. Yes.
It must uko
Yes.
in Zuni
Yes.
ngati 4 public universities.
Then you have Uchango,
Yes.
you have Polytechnic, you
College
have
of
College of
Medicine,
Medicine,
Later Kamuzu College of Nursing. Yes.
So says abanga dealing.
Yes. So
No.
president ankanena kuti
Yes.
ata yako mphamvu ngati zimenezi.
Yes.
Now lero akwakhazikisa kukhala ngati ndani?
Chancellor wa Rwanda.
Zikususana ndi zimene amanena ndi zimene akuwauza anthu. Zikukhala bwanji.
Zikutsutsana clearly, but probably in their defense, I read what Mr. Brian Banda has answered. Probably in their defense they will say tangoyamba umene zofunika zipite ku parliament ndiye kuti maakti amene anayambitsa University of Malawi kaya Rwanayo kaya chani zifunika zitidwe, which is true. It has to happen. But I think the good thing is they have seen the need. That's why we are here questioning them. That's why the media is questioning them. Our president, it is because he was Yamba. Look, it was historical. Many remember University of Malawi. Every college was under University of Malawi. Whether you had Chanko, whether you had a Polytechnic, whether you had Bunda, whether you had KCN, College of Medicine, which came last. It was all University of Malawi. So it was justified. Chancellor Moji, Mufuna Mubange graduation like today, congregation. It's just one congregation.
Yes.
No simple grade Kuzomba. Of course, later on they started doing it in cohorts.
Yes.
But in those days, no se mango bila tsuli modzi, no se mandra madigrano mukubwera. So it was easy. Komanso nthawi imeneyo inali chinali nthawi ya chipati chimodzi. Zinthu zinali zosiyana. It was a different system. So it is good that the president has recognized kuti one of the powers imene afunika kuti achotse the power ya vice chancellor. Nzoona because it's not practical. Then he will just be busy as a chancellor. He has a country to run, so many things to do, so many Malawians that have the stature and the caliber to be chancellors of this university. Very, very good. Put my professor we can even invite Gagunja, they will come and be chancellor. And it's better to have such a chancellor. For Akaudi is hands-on, he's there full time. The president is a busy man.
Now, George,
yes.
Yeah. Ukayangana UNIMA Act of 1998 section 13 subsection 23 ikunena kuti mtsogoleri wa ziko azikhala chancellor wa ma university aboma.
Yes.
Koma ukapitiriranso ndi section yomweyo subsection 3
yes.
ikunena kuti president yu ali ndi mphamvu yodatha kusankha munthu wina kuti akhale chancellor mogambirana ndi university council.
Yes.
Now apa zikukhala bwanji kuti tikudikiranso kuti mpaka tipite ku parliament pamene akanatha kungochita konzati mwina Luana council iyi ndi kusankha munthu wina poonesa chidwi chokuti ndayambako ulendo ofuna kumatula mphamvu zinazi pansi.
Probably it's the idea of saying let's not do shortcuts, let's not
but it's provided for.
It is provided for.
Yeah, under section 3 yokuti atha kusankha in consultation in the university council. Now why should we wait mpaka na parliament ikachite amend the whole thing pamene kuli area ina imene kupereka opportunity, the same thing that you want parliament to help you with?
It's a valid thing to say. It's a valid thing to say, and it's something that probably the president must indeed answer at the end of the day. But what we need, what they should have done to show the seriousness of saying we want to do this is probably timeline. Kodi Commission of Justice, are they preparing someone looking at that act and saying to Funati Sintayose, instead of saying he can appoint, he cannot appoint, he can be, he cannot be, why don't we just do it? So probably Malawians, I don't know what he's going to say today, Malawians will be happy if he said the next sitting of parliament or the sitting afterwards, we have prepared a bill which is going to say A, B, C, D, F, G. Meanwhile, that's why Nananga probably and I support Agulwana, I should attend their graduation. I know probably this might be my last graduation to attend, because next time Muzakani, Chancellor William Frank Zemaramulo, he can say that. But I think the most important thing is that there should be a timeline. The Malawians are tired of just words. I think Malawians are aware would have a president that can speak. I don't think that's a problem. I don't think making speeches is a problem of this president.
No.
Maybe the other president,
yes,
Ambuyo, Peter Mutharika was not gifted in speaking.
Yes.
Even Ashimene Maremu, Bingu Mutharika was not gifted in speech. But as far as this president is concerned, he doesn't have any problem as regards giving speeches. So we have heard words, very, very inspiring words from him, nice things from him. I think now it's time time to implement them. I know he is also sometimes frustrated at the fact that the thing that he says in terms of implementation, he says it's not just me, I can say things, but others should pick them up. Is it ministers? Is it what? Is it OPC should pick them up? I think those people should pick up the things that the president is talking about, so that zikamaitika zingalizizi samazi zema mvungama kuti is able, because Malawians will ask questions like you're asking to say the law says ABCDFG, you can still do ABCDFG. Why not doing it? Exactly.
Chabwino nde nthawi yathu ife yatithera mwambo umenewu nthawi ina iliyonse ukhala ukuchitika panopa chimene tingauza Malawi ndikuti adikire ndithu pakanema yawo ya Times Television TTV pa Times 360 Malawi komanso pa Times Radio, chifukwa tikhala tili live ku BICC kulilongwe kumene president wa dziko lino Dr. Lazarus Makathe Chakwera akhala akupereka ma certificate, ma diploma komanso ma degree kwa anyamata ndi asungwana amene amaliza maphunziro awo kulilongwe University of Agriculture and Natural Resources Luana, komanso akhala kumukhazikisa kumeneko ngati chancellor wa university imeneyi. George, ndathokoza kuti tidali limodzi.
It was always a pleasure being here.
Thank you very much. George, mbali yako no munali ndine Ndevu Zamwayi Wandera Msisia. Pitirani kuonera ma program athu osatira pompano pa Times Television TTV. Goodbye.
Remember, you stand a chance to win a brand new motorcycle. This offer is valid until 30th November. Terms and conditions apply.